Hey writers, struggling to pick the perfect novel writing software? Today we're comparing Bibisco and Scrivener in a quick showdown to help you decide which one's right for you. Let's dive in. First up, we have Bibisco. This free open source software crafted by an Italian author is all about simplicity. It's designed for novelists with tools to plan characters, locations, and timelines. Its clean interface guides you through a structured process, think detailed character questionnaires, and scene-by-scene organization. The Supporters Edition, available on a pay-what-you-want basis, adds features like EPUB export and writing goals, but it lacks advanced formatting and cloud syncing, and some find its rigid structure limiting. Now we have Scrivener. This paid software, starting at $49.99, is a powerhouse for all writers, novelists, screenwriters, academics, you name it. This is created by Literature and Lat. It's got a flexible binder system for organizing chapters, scenes, and research. Features like the corkboard and outliner let you visualize your project, and its robust formatting and export options are top-notch. The catch? It has a steeper learning curve and can feel overwhelming for beginners. So, how do these all stack up? Let's break it down. Bibisco is perfect for new writers who want a guided, budget-friendly tool focused on novels. Scrivener shines for experienced writers juggling big, complex projects with tons of research. If you're just starting out, try Bibisco's free version. If you need power and flexibility, Scrivener's worth the investment. That's it, guys. Pick the tool that fits your vibe and start writing that masterpiece. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and happy writing.